Namaste, Ronik Gandhi this side, and would definitely love to share my study abroad preparations with Study Smart. So, when I first considered studying abroad, I was just overwhelmed by the process. But luckily, I came across with Study Smart Consultancy, who made my process easier. They not only understood my goals, but provided insightful guidance for selecting the right program in one of the best university in the UK. Their expertise made the application and visa process smooth and stress-free. What stands out the most is their personalized guidance and continuous support. I would surely and definitely recommend Study Smart for completing your study abroad dreams come true. Thank you.